What are you making now?
A creeper.
A creeper?
You can buy these pumpkins and these gems from the dollar store. How pretty they are.
What are you painting now?
A zombie.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna...
What you mixing up there, baby girl?
Steve's kid, because I think an Alex.
Ooh.
She's from Minecraft. If you haven't really watched my entire channel, you should, because I play 2 games. I mean, I do Star Dew Valley.
Oh, started.
It's beautiful bright orange hair. And she has beautiful hair. This Gem Creeper. Here's Zombie Girl, for example. And here is some witchy. And here's the green sun pumpkin. Hello guys, and I just took this off the pumpkin. So I need these pumpkins, which come in this giant pack. You can buy them on Amazon or at the dollar store. Or at the Dollar General, and maybe something else for you, like a fake pumpkin. And you don't have to use like a real pumpkin. You can use a fake one if you want. I use fake so they don't fade away like you do. Well, these are actually real pumpkins. Here you go, Mama. They are actual sticky gems. And let me just attach this last purple pumpkin stem. There. Go cute it looks so far. And you'll also need explore paints. For me, I use red, black, green, and acrylic sparkle gold. You can make your own pumpkin, your own design. I'll continue on this one. See you in the next